Zero-knowledge proofs, ZKP, in blockchain. Zero-knowledge proofs are cryptographic methods. They let a prover show a verifier a statement is true, but they reveal no more than the statement's validity. Zero-knowledge means the verifier learns nothing about the data. There are two main types of zero-knowledge proofs. Interactive ZKPs, the prover and verifier interact multiple times. The prover sends multiple pieces of information. The verifier checks each one until they are convinced of the claim's validity. Example of zero-knowledge proof in blockchain transactions. Consider a user, Alice. She wants to send funds to Bob in a privacy-preserving blockchain like Zcash. Alice must prove to the network that she has enough funds to perform the transaction. Benefits of zero-knowledge proofs in blockchain. Enhanced privacy. The most significant advantage of ZKPs is their ability to provide privacy. In traditional blockchain systems like Bitcoin, all transactions are on the public ledger. They are visible to everyone. Increased security. ZKPs can boost security. They do this by reducing the sensitive data sent or stored on the blockchain. By proving a statement's validity without revealing its info, the attack surface is reduced. Privacy-focused cryptocurrencies. As mentioned, Zcash is a well-known crypto that uses zero-knowledge proofs. Zcash uses a type of ZKP called ZK-SNARKs. It enables private transactions. This lets users send transactions with complete privacy. It hides the sender, recipient, and amount. Conclusion. In conclusion, zero-knowledge proofs are a revolutionary cryptographic technique. They improve the privacy, security, and scalability of blockchain networks. ZKPs let users prove transactions without revealing sensitive data.